Video. It's on video.
Me and Gloria are all three of us.
Yeah. What? No, just grab your stuff and let's go.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Grab your stuff.
I got the shield.
I'll get these two.
No, that's mine.
Whatever here. Damn,
yeah.
That's my shield.
Why are you putting it to you?
Let's go.
It's around, across the way over there.
Oh shit, yo, I hope this thing doesn't get wet.
Oh, it's fine. It's already drenched. Oops.
You know what? Let me just put this over my head. This is crazy. Oh my goodness, we're never gonna make it.
Yeah, we are.
Come on, rugby player. Run, bitch. Run.
Don't drive it.
I won't drive it. I won't drive. Oh my god, what is that? Oh snap.
It's not like I threw it.
Yo. Look at all those birds. There's actually people here. And there's supposed to be like a flood warning or something.
Yeah, there is a flood warning.
Why the hell are people here? They're so retarded. I'm just joking.
I can't run. Fuck that.
It's so far away. Whose idea was this?
My one friend, this one kid I know, he's running like a penguin. He's going like this.
Let's do this.
Do what?
Run. Oh wait. I don't want to leave Gloria behind.
Don't run.
Damn. I thought you have a lot of endurance for swimming.
Not for running.
Come on, go swimming.
I don't know my suit.
Crap. Yo, I can't feel my fingers. I know what you mean now. Dude, that was a hot scene though. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh shoot, it's freezing. You wanna get we did so much. We put so much effort into this. We better get hundreds.
Give Mr. Headman a heads up. Give him a message on the thing.
Always.
I'll give him a message.
Do it again. Oh, my hand hurts. I can't hold this up anymore.
That's bad, funny. You're recording. Go. Every time you head up, I give him a message. When I put my shirt up, turn it off. Remember, I went to a birthday party.
Oh man, I can't feel my fingers.
Anybody want a cold drink?
Hell no. Oh my god.
Is it possible to get frostbite in this cold?
Probably. Ashley, Linda, glad you missed it, Mr. Headman.
This is my
I don't know.
We're risking a flood.
Yeah, we're in a flood warning and we're at Glen Island. We're dedicated.
You see the $6 roll?
What are you doing? Don't kick the dock. Don't kick the dock. You guys are mad stupid. It's so cold out. Anisha's only in a friggin' sweater, dancing around.